Just in time for some nice weather and summer driving, check out this 2012 BMW 128i convertible. One owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile, 35,967 on the odometer at the moment. Always serviced at a BMW dealership. Well taken care of and maintained. It also has a premium package, so we have heated seats and steering wheel and the high intensity headlights. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. Of course, black exterior with the oyster leather bucket seats and interior. And you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches on the front fascia. You do have a few touch-ups. I mean, it is black, so you do have a few touch-ups in the paint. Previous owner has made sure to fill those in. Overall, the car has a great look to it. Paint has a nice shine. Check out the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the correct BMW wheels. Of course, 3-liter inline 6 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive in this one, and nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. No major nicks, dings, or scratches up and down the passenger side, as you can see. And again, oyster interior, bucket seat, center console. Adult owned and driven. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little bit closer, start it up, let you hear it run. I'll also show you the power top functioning. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you like these German imports, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And again, you can see the reflection in that paint. Condition, what you'd expect in a one-owner, well-maintained BMW. There's also a copy of the window sticker that will be in with the still pictures. So if you want to see exactly how this car was equipped from the factory, feel free to check out that window sticker in the still pictures. Interior, it's like new. There's very little wear on it whatsoever. Your modern amenities with the power locks, of course, power mirrors, power windows. Yes, I have the key in here. That's why it's dinging on me. Top of the dash. Looks good. We're going to go ahead and start it up. Let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Of course, electronic dual climate control, stereo settings, heated seats, exact miles. You can see that 35,967. Be able to read that. Sounds as you'd expect. Sounds stock. I've not noticed any modifications on it. And best of all, you can get into one of these without breaking the bank. The only reason the consignor is selling this car is they are moving and they're not going to have the space. They need the space. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped open, check out the engine bay, and I'll show you the top functioning. And then again, stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take it for a drive as usual. Underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. Obviously, this car has not seen any winter use. It is very clean. Take a look at underneath the hood. Again, 3-liter, inline, 6-cylinder. Plenty to move this car right along. And again, always serviced at a BMW dealership with clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and actual miles. Sounds good, looks good underneath there, what you'd expect. let me go ahead and get the tripod out, get the camera set up. I want to show you this convertible top working, and we'll check out the condition of that, wrap up this walk around video. And the power top up, so as you can see, functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Black fabric, also rolled up the side glass so you can see how that fits. Nice tight fit. Doesn't look like the top's been up on this one a whole lot. It's not stained, discolored, anything like that. Glass rear window with rear defog on it. What you'd expect in a one-owner car with lower miles. It's the condition that it should be in. Let's put it that way. And side glass on the passenger side, nice tight fit, and back above the windshield. So no surprises on that convertible top. I'll also show you it going back down and folding up in the car itself. So there you go, 2012 BMW 128i convertible. Again, one owner car, no car accidents indicated in the Carfax. Actual mile car, just a little over 35,000 on it. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, stick around to the end of the video after I put the top down, show you that working. Jason will take it for a drive. And we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2012 BMW 128i. This is a convertible and we do have the top down today. An automatic transmission shifted right here on the center console makes it easy for anybody to drive. A nice modern machine with less than 36,000 miles on it currently. Amazing sounding stereo.
A final message, give my wife my love, and nothing more.
I'm really impressed by this stereo, I gotta say. Even with no top, it's crystal clear. Very comfortable bucket seats, of course power accessories. That smooth BMW sporty ride, letting go of the wheel, this car stays perfectly straight in the lane. The fuel gauge is showing over 3/4 of a tank. Speedometer and tachometer working as they should. Brakes nice and smooth, accelerates the same. Of course, it's going to corner very well. That BMW engineering in a small vehicle. A very fun car to drive. Take a look at all the pictures of this. BMW at uniqueclassiccars.com.